Zhuo Chen, founded in 2009, independently developed the first fabric spreading equipment, with the identity of Blue Lotus in the customer's workshop to play its actual role in making customers accept his existence. From then on, Zhuo Chen pursued to solve the direction of flexible fabric spreading. Let's continue to this day, providing faster and more efficient fabric spreading equipment for all industries. From manual to semi-automatic to fully automatic to fully intelligent production. At present, Zhuo Chen is a high-tech enterprise of research and development, production, sales and service in one sewing equipment. 12 years of history. Still do not forget the original concept, high-quality equipment. After years of continuous research into the characteristics of fabrics, continuous updates and iterations of Zhuo Chen launched a variety of special models for home textiles, outdoor, clothing, medical, luggage. In the face of special fabrics, Zhuo Chen has a profession. In the after-sales guarantee of the country's provinces and cities have offices, professional service team, to ensure the timeliness and convenience of the service, so that customers use the equipment. In recent years, Zhuo Chen for AI intelligent equipment development break through the traditional concept of research, the internet technology into the laying equipment to achieve remote operation, remote viewing of real-time production data, the intelligent functions such as remote operation, remote viewing of real-time production data, etc. Further enhance the intelligence of the equipment, reduce human labor, as well as recruitment difficulties and reduce the technical requirements of workers. After 12 years of technical precipitation, Zhuo Chen still continues to pursue innovative breakthroughs. Zhuo Chen is willing to cooperate with new and old friends from all walks of life in a sincere spirit of cooperation to jointly research and develop faster and more efficient special laying system. 2.